Hello, and welcome to Amij Trading. This video will introduce you to the basics of Forex trading, and to start understanding how the Forex market works. We will be explaining to you the most important terms that you will need to know on a daily basis when trading Forex, but first, let's see what Forex stand for. The basics of foreign exchange trading is the activity where you can speculate if one currency will get stronger or weaker, relative to another currency. For example, right at this moment with €1, you can buy $1.1180. This exchange rate can change at any seconds. It is the banks that are continuously adjusting to the rhythm of supply and demand that are responsible for this exchange fluctuation. If we have a hint that the euro will become stronger than the US dollar, what we do is that we buy the euro-US dollar pair, and remember, when we believe one currency will rise against another, we buy the strong currency and we sell the weak one. In most cases, the sale of the currency will be handled by a brokerage firm. All we have to do is buy the euro-US dollar pair. Another way is to say that we will go long on the euro-dollar pair. So when we go long on the euro-US dollar pair, we speculate that the euro will rise against the dollar. On the other hand, if we believe that the euro will become weak against the dollar, we can sell the euro against the dollar. Another way of saying this is that we will short the euro-US dollar pair. So when we short the euro-US dollar pair, we are speculating that euro will become weaker than the US dollar. So let's consider a real-life example. Right now with €1 I can buy $1.1180. If I go long on the euro-US dollar pair, then I speculate that the euro will go up against the US dollar. Now let's watch what happens. $1.1180 has simply gone up in our favor to $1.1199. We can close the trade at any time we are okay with our profit. So far we have made 19 points or 19 pence. If I bought 10,000 worth of euro when it was $1.1180, that would have bought me $11,180. But after my trade was finalized, 10,000 euro is now valued at $11,199 in just 30 minutes. I have made $19 as the euro had gained 19p against the dollar. This brings me to the next question. What is a pip? A pip is simply the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. If euro-US dollar, for example, moves from 1.1180 to 1.1181, that is 0.0001 US dollar rise and the value is 1 pip. Thank you for watching this introduction to Forex. For more information about our professional training nationwide, please click the link in bio or follow us on our social media.